Sekolah Menengah Kebangsaan Convent, Kajang, Selangor.
This is our robot creation for the climate spot project. We name it as Via Over PLATREE. The word Via is the combination of my name Rati and my team members' name Ili and Anissa. The main objective of this robot is to save the world from bad pollutants that will affect human health, such as it will cause asthma and breathing problems. We have attached two EV3 brakes in this robot. The first EV3 brake is attached to a gyro sensor and is controlled by a medium servo motor and two large servo motors. EV3-1 is for the movement and maneuvering of the robot. EV3-2 is attached to touch sensor and four large servo motors. EV3-2 is for the process planting, showering, watering and excavation. The function of the touch sensor is to stop the motor that controlling the space movement when it reaches its level. The mechanical mechanism used in this robot are wheels, chains, conveyor belt and gears. Now I am going to demonstrate the working procedure for this robot. Firstly, the robot will move to a designated position and starts to spin the auger. While spinning, the auger is lowered slowly to make a hole in the ground. The rotation of the auger will make the surplus excavated soil to move out of the hole. After completing the digging, the auger will stop spinning and will return to its original position. Then, the robot will move forward until the dripping area is aligned with the hole. The conveyor belt will start working to bring down the seed or sprout to drop it into the excavated hole. Once the sprout or seed is in the hole, the spade will be used to level and cover by lowering down into the ground level. The water pump activation is triggered by a contact switch attached to the spade's movement. When the spade is retracted at a certain height, the contact switch will be on and the water pump will start pumping water from the tank. The robot successfully planted the tree. The robot moved forward in the soil by using the four wheels and the chain that is connected to the robot. The robot starts to spin the auger to make a hole in the ground. Now we can see the conveyor belt starts moving and is dropping the corn to the excavated hole. The spade is lowered to bring the excavated soil back to the hole. The water from the tank will be pumped through the hose to water the planted sprout or seed.
The robot successfully planted the corn. Now we can see the robot is moving forward and will start to spin the auger to excavate the soil. After completing the digging, the auger will stop spinning and will return to its original position. The robot will move forward until the dripping area is aligned with the hole. The conveyor belt will start working to bring down the potato to drop it into the excavated hole. Finally, the water pump activation is triggered by a contact switch attached to the spade movement, and water will start flowing out. The robot successfully planted the potato.
This is the programming to make the robot to move straight by using gyro sensor. This is the MyBlock builder for watering. And the actual programming inside the MyBlock builder is to control the flow of water. This is the programming for the this is the MyBlock builder for shoveling down the the spade. This is the actual program inside the MyBlock builder for shoveling down. Now, this is the NRC. This is the programming EV31 that is connected to NRC task 1 and move steering. This is the MyBlock builder for NRC task 1. This is the programming where we press the single button for the robot to move forward. This is the continuation of the programming NRC task 1. This is the programming. This is the main programming that controls the process of excavation, planting, watering and digging. This is the continuation of this program. This is the continuation of this program also. This is the programming for NRC task 2. And this programming is for the robot to shovel up. This programming, this is the MyBlock builder for the conveyor. We attach color sensor in this programming. The color sensor is controlling the conveyor's movement by scanning the color marker placed at each section of the conveyor. This will allow one section of the sprout or seed is released to the dropping area for the planting process.